Understanding Safe Journey, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, safe journey. This phrase is often heard in everyday conversations, especially when someone is about to travel. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also when and how to use it effectively. So, let's get started. Safe journey is a phrase used to wish someone a safe and trouble-free travel experience. It's similar to saying, have a good trip, or travel safely. This expression is often used when someone is leaving for a trip, whether it's a short drive to a nearby town or a long international flight. It conveys your good wishes and hopes for their safety while they are traveling. You can use safe journey in various scenarios. 1. When someone is leaving for a trip. It's a kind gesture to wish them a safe journey as they depart. 2. In written communication. It can be used at the end of an email or a text message to someone who is about to travel. 3. In professional settings. It's a polite and formal way to wish colleagues or clients well as they embark on business trips. While safe journey is widely understood and used, it's interesting to note its variations across different cultures and languages. In some places, there might be a local equivalent that carries a similar sentiment. Additionally, in English-speaking countries, you might hear variations like, have a safe flight, or drive safely, tailored to the mode of travel. To better understand how to use safe journey, let's look at a few examples. Before a friend leaves for a road trip, safe journey. Let me know when you arrive. In a professional email, looking forward to our meeting next week. Safe journey to New York. When a family member is leaving for the airport, have a safe flight and a wonderful trip. Safe journey is a simple yet heartfelt way to show you care about someone's safety and well-being as they travel. It's a versatile phrase that fits into both casual and formal settings. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. Safe journey in your English language learning adventure, and see you in our next video.